Good morning students, welcome back to the English online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will discuss about chapter number 16, the Mumbai Musician. Okay, that is the chapter number 16 from your NCERT book. The Mumbai Musicians. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Gopu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane from the farm to the factory. He was now very tired and old. In this paragraph we have learned about there is a donkey whose name is Gopu, and he had worked for many years in the house of a farmer, and he carried so many heavy sacks of corn and sugar cane. Okay, and he carried this load from farm to the factory, and he was very tired and old now. Now he was very tired and old. He was not able to do like that work. The farmer said to Gopu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go see the world before you become too old." So the farmer said to Gopu, "Now you are too tired, too old, and you are not able to do the heavy work, and so you can go." And he give us sack of sugarcane and allowed to go to see the world. Gopu smiled and said goodbye. When he do this work, and he was very happy because the farmer was a very good owner, and said goodbye, and he said goodbye to his owner, to his farmer, to his master. He set off towards the city of Mumbai, and he was ready to go to the city of Mumbai. He wants to go to the Mumbai. I am good at music, and he thought, I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there. And he decided to become a musician in Mumbai. On the way, he met a dog. When he was going to Mumbai, he met a dog on the way. "Where are you going?" asked Dupu. So the name of the dog is Dupu, and he asked, "Where are you going?" "I am going to Mumbai to be a musician. Would you like to come too?" asked Gopu. Then Gopu answered, "I am going to become a musician, and I am going to Mumbai. Would you like to come to me?" So, "Yes, I would," replied Dupu. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai, and they went towards the road to the Mumbai. They saw a ball of fur in middle of the road. When the two friends going to the Mumbai, they saw a ball of fur. "Who are you?" they asked. "I am Furry the cat." So they met a cat whose name was Furry. Said the cat, "Would you like to come with us to become a musician?" asked Gopu and Dupu together. And Gopu and Dupu asked from the cat. Cat's name was Furry. Kid, do you want to come to me? Come to us to become musician. Oh, I would love to come along, replied Furry. And the furry was also love to go to with them. So off went the three together to become Mumbai musician. Now they were the three friends, Gopu, Dopu and Furry, and they went to the Mumbai. Soon they met a cuckoo, the cock, and they met a fourth friend, Cuckoo the cock. I love music and wish to join your band. And he said, I love music and I wish to love your band. Band means the team of the musician. They all reached a house with a light, and when they were going to the Mumbai, they saw a house where was with a light, and they were tired and hungry. Now they were tired and hungry. They want to eat something. They peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. So when they saw a house and through the window they saw a table with a delicious food, and they were already very hungry and tired. So they decided to sing to let the people inside know they were musicians. So they thought they were very good musicians. So they started to sing a song to know that they were musicians, and they sang. They started singing. The people inside thought that ghost had come to scare them, and the people inside the house, they were scared to listen the music, and they thought they were the ghost. They ran away as fast as they could, and they ran away to listen the music. Gopu, Dupu and Furry went into the house and ate the food till they could eat no more, and they were already hungry. So they ate the food and delicious food, and till they could not eat no more. So the summary of the story is, this is a story is about a donkey named Gopu. Gopu loves music and wants to become a musician. When he became old and couldn't able to carry the heavy load, he decided to go to the Mumbai to become musician. On the way he met a dog, a cat, a cock, and they all joined him. They all wanted to become musicians. On their way to Mumbai, they all became tired and hungry. They saw a house. They all started singing to tell the people in the house that they were good singers. So people got scared of their voices and ran away. Finally, they all ate the food calmly. Let's do the word meaning of this chapter, beta. Donkey, a kind of animal. Farmer, one who works in the field. Sacks, large bags. Corn, grains. Sugarcane, a stem from which sugar is produced. Factory, a place where goods are manufactured. World, here outside place. Set off, went. Musician, a person who composes music. Fur, short, soft, fine hair on animal body. Middle, in the center. Together with one another. Band, a company of musicians. Reached, come near. Hungry, having hunger. Peeped, looked through the window, or a small opening place. Delicious, tasty. Scare, causing fear. Let Sort out these words. We have given E word. Leg, nest, bell, well. Short I words. Pig, lip, hill, fish. Long E words. So the E sound is very long. Deep, street, seed, tree and meal. Long I word. Smile, kite, dice, line. So come to the next module. Questions, answers. Why did the farmer tell Gopu to see the world? The farmer tells Gopu to see the world as he was very tired and old now. Okay, he was not able to carry the heavy load. So he was now tired and old. Why did Gopu, Dupu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? Why did they want to go to Mumbai? Well done. They want to go to Mumbai to become musician. To be musician. Why did the people in the house run away? People in the house ran away as they thought ghosts had come to scare them. They thought they were the ghosts and they came to scare them. Do you play any musical instrument? If yes, then you have to say yes, and the musical instrument you have to mention, you have to like to play. So I have mentioned here I play guitar. If no, which instrument do you want to learn? I would like to learn how to play a piano or a harmonium or anyone else. Add the word of the opposite gender in the given sentences. In these sentences you have to mention the opposite of the underlined word. Let's do Anju's mother. So the opposite gender of the mother is father. Mother and father came to the school. My uncle, the opposites of uncle is aunt, came to visit us on Monday. The lion, the opposite gender of lion is lioness, looked lovingly at their cub. The king, the opposite of king is queen, sat on the beautiful thrones. The man is running and the opposite word of the man is woman, is walking. My grandfather, the opposite of the grandfather is grandmother, went to the market. Now instrument that you play with fingers, instrument that you string instrument and the instruments that you blow into. So with finger tabla, dholak and dafli, and the string instrument guitar, violin and sitar, and the instrument that you blow into flute, shehnai and iktara. Come to the next. You have to add two words and make a new word. Like that, news plus paper, newspaper. School plus bag, school bag. Tooth plus paste, toothpaste. Neck plus lace, necklace. Some plus one, someone. Bath plus room, bathroom. Time plus table, timetable. Foot plus ball, football. Car plus pet, carpet. So students, you have to do this exercise with the help of the video and read this chapter thoroughly with the help of video. Okay students, bye bye.